Hi and what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be bringing you along as I make my smoothie, and it's going to be easy to make and it only needs 2 ingredients. So today I'm going to be using a cantaloupe. A cantaloupe is okay, you can call it cantaloupe, honeydew, sweet melon, whatever you like. But I usually find that many people don't like eating this fruit when it's raw. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make it or blend it up and have it and not realize you're having cantaloupe. Yeah. As you can see, it has a very rough exterior. This is how it's looking. I know you've come across the fruit somewhere. So I'm going to place it on my plates and then I'm going to cut in. There you have it. This is how it's looking on the inside, and I'm going to be using 1/2 because it's my smoothie for one. And then I'm going to quarter it and split it once more. So there you have it. So cantaloupe is usually sweet, but many people don't like this. So I'm going to remove the rest of the seeds. All you have to do is just move your knife and the seeds will come straight off. So this smoothie is full of vitamin C and vitamin A, and also it's full of antioxidants. And I know when you go for grocery shopping, you usually notice this fruit, but you don't buy it. Please buy and make this smoothie. So to peel my cantaloupe, I'm just going to run my knife on the bottom, and yeah, the peel will come straight off, just like that. The next one, you just run your knife like that, and voila. So I'm going to chop mine in a small bowl. Then I'm going to place this aside. Don't worry, I've not used the chopping board because it is quite easy to slice through the cantaloupe. So really, I didn't need the chopping board, yeah. But if you're afraid of using the same way, just use a chopping board, yeah. So I'm going to add mine in my blender, just like that. And then I'm going to peel a small banana and chop it up into my blender. Add in a little bit of water. Then I'm going to cover and blend. So my smoothie is ready, and I can't wait to have my first sip. So I'm going to add mine in a jar, add in my straw. So there you have it, guys. My cantaloupe smoothie is delicious. It's everything that you ever wanted early in the morning, or for brunch, or for lunch. So this is just amazing. So I'm going to give it a sip. Actually, you can't tell that there is any cantaloupe because the banana sweetens up the smoothie, and also the cantaloupe is sweet. So I hope you try out this recipe at home. Have yourself some amazing cantaloupe